right, so oh, Burnsy. So this is Joey's fuel pump eccentric and his camshaft bolt and the washer.
Oh yeah.
And the push rods, and those were nasty. They were sitting here on the table, and those were gross. They were in there, what, half hour? Look how nice they are. A little wipe down, a little break them clean, and away we go.
A little what?
Break them clean.
Oh, okay.
El break them cleano. See? Break them cleano.
I don't know we spoke Spanish around here. Oui.
That's French. They go wee on themselves. Taco burrito enchilada. That's Spanish. Anyway, see. Senorita.
See.
Right. So back here on Joey's engine, yes, this is more than 16 rocker arms because I had a bunch of sets. So we just threw them all in and washed them. They actually bathed overnight. These were super scuzzy, covered in schmutz. Like, look, that still has schmutz in it. Look at that. Ugh. So we're going to pick our 16 best for Joey. And then we're going to kind of spruce up, tidy up, clean up, and get his Valvetrain done. Right. Got our rockers all in position. We do need to put a couple more rocker nuts on. We're ready. Gonna get this all together, and we're gonna kind of get our valves lashed. Get that done, and then start getting ready to do our intake manifold. And then we'll do our timing cover. And I am gonna change the oil pump. We're gonna put the pump from his other engine on it. We'll go through it, clean it, make sure. It is newer, it is fresher, it is a high volume pump. Look at that nice timing chain. Spectacular. All right, all of our Valvetrain is adjusted. Everything's on there. We got our rockers in, we got our push rods in. Everything is adjusted. We are ready. Next step's gonna be a timing cover. And then intake manifold. Get that stuff done. Flip it over. Put the oil pump and the oil pan on it. And then we can put oil in it and prime it. Getting close.